Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be doing yet again another unboxing, but it's okay because we are getting our setup, everything we need, so we can have a great setup to provide great content for you guys. long day. This quarantine driving me nuts. Anyways, so today we're going to be unboxing. I'm so excited. I have been using a little handheld tripod like this big, and it's not really working out for me because I have to put it on a table, and no. You know, I do makeup, so I already needed to put my makeup on a table, and that's just too much space. All right, so we did have I did have a big one. I got it from Amazon. I mean, not Amazon. I got it from Best Buy. It's about like $65 with tax, 69, something like that. I got that when I first started my YouTube. So back in 2018, I got it. The faceplate on it did break. The tripod still works. I just need a new faceplate. But I was just like, you know what? So I've been researching tripods for a while now, and Think Media, he's really good. I go to his page always for my tech stuff and stuff like that because I'm learning as I go. I'm learning a lot. I've learned a lot, and I still have a lot to learn. But he recommends like the best tech stuff for on a budget, not on a budget. And this one tripod, I really liked it, and I like it because you can go upside down. You can do like the macro, the upside down one. So it was really awesome, the tripod, I thought. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try that and check it out and see if I like it. So I will link in the description box below the tripod itself, so you can go check it out. And yeah, and his page is Think Media, so check it out. Think Media. He's awesome. His name's Sean Connor, or is it Sean Connell? Sean Connell or Sean Connor? I can't think at the moment, but he's really good. But anyways, this is what our tripod looks like. Boom. K&F Concept Tripod. All right, so this is the website. You can go check them out, www.kentfaith.com, K&F Tripod. I have not opened it yet. I do obviously know the colors because I picked it. So the one he suggested was $78.99. This one was $79.99, $1 difference. And it's a little different, I think. It is a little taller. This can go 72 inches high, and I really like that because I'm 4'10". So that is a big plus for me. With this video, I'm going to switch kind of to like vlog style type of setup. We're gonna set this bad boy up. I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna like kind of speed the process up a little bit. So I'm gonna put some music on, and you guys can watch me set it up. Now it's not gonna be the best music because you guys know your girl can't get copyrighted. So we're gonna switch over to, like I said, set that up and see what this bad boy can do. Now, obviously, I'm filming on my camera, so you don't get to see it on the camera. But if you guys do want to see my filming setup and how I set it up and what I do to get these quality videos, my lighting, all that good stuff, let me know in the comments below. But before we get into this video, I want you to pause this, give this video a good thumbs up. Come on, you know you want to. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, click the bell right next to it for more post notifications so you never miss a video from me. I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. local time. And there's plenty of videos to go around. So without further ado, let's get into setting this bad boy up and see how it looks and performs, how well it opens, the legs and all that good stuff. See if it's really sturdy. See if it's really worth our buck, $79. Is it worth it? I'm about to find out. Let's get right into it. So it can be used as a monopod as well. Just wanted to slow it down and show you guys that. All right, you guys. So that's how we set up the tripod. I love the colors, red and black. Oh, I'm so glad I got it. It's really high, so that's awesome. And I think it's gonna be a great tripod. It seems sturdy. I like how the clips are, how it locks, how it got the ball, this 360 ball head. I think that's amazing because right now with my little tripod, I have a piece that I'm still using it because I haven't switched it over yet. But I have a little piece that is just like my new tripod, so it's amazing, and I like it. So yeah, like I said, this video is really short, but I just want to, make this video just in case, everybody wants to know certain ways to set up. Like if you're just trying to start a YouTube channel and you need the help, hey, here you go, you got it right here. I'm not that type of person. Like a lot of beauty gurus and a lot of like big YouTubers, they don't want to show their secrets. I don't know why, because some people, like big YouTubers that I want to see a setup, nope, they don't even show it. A lot of them. Now they're starting to a little bit because more people are coming out doing it. But no, I will show my tips, my tricks with everybody. I mean, some things I got to keep to myself, obviously, but I don't mind. That's what I want to be an influencer for. I want people. It's not like people say, why are you copying me? No. Why are you an influencer then? That's the point. I mean, obviously be original, do your own craft as well. But the point of being an influencer is so you influence people to want to do it. You get what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying. All right? So thanks, you guys. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I appreciate the love. We finally did it. Like I said in the last video, we reached 1,000 subscribers. Over that, actually, we're at 1,520 subscribers. I'm so psyched. Thank you guys for the love and support. I appreciate it. So, you guys, let's see if we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Since we at 1,520, I think we can do 5,000 because I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to keep making videos and keep going, and I'm not going to stop. I love making videos. I love watching YouTube videos. I love watching stuff on editing. And now when I watch YouTube videos, I'm like, oh, this was edited. Like, I know, like, I'm learning so much, and I really love this. And my kids like to make little videos around the house. So I think we're going to make this into a family thing. And, like, I want to make a family page. And this is just something I've always wanted to do, like, for a while now since I started watching YouTube videos. I've always wanted to influence people, and this is the best way, the internet. I know I'm not the best at makeup, but I'm learning. I think I'm really good with my face makeup. I'm learning with the eyeshadow. Bear with me. I'm growing with my channel. This is good for, like, beginners to watch my channel, stuff like that. And, no hate, no shade. Like, let's be positive. My channel is a positive channel. I will not tolerate disrespect in any way, shape, or form. This is the, come, let's chill, let's hang out, let's have a good time. That's all. All right? So, again, thanks for tuning into my channel. Thanks for checking me out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Make sure you subscribe because I'm telling you, every Tuesday and Thursday, going to be a lot of laughs because I'm finally in a good headspace right now. So, I'm happy. I'm doing good. I'm really happy in right now. Even though the pandemic's here, I'm scared. I'm terrified. But I'm also trying to live every day like it's my last because who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Honestly, now, we never know. So I'm taking this opportunity to make every day count. I have to. I have to. So, again, thanks for tuning to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Click the bell right next to it for more post notifications from me. That just lets you know when I post new videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye.